इस कार्यक्रम के प्रसारण पुण्यार्जक हैं वृत्ति श्राविका श्रीमती रत्नमाला जैन एवं उनके सुपुत्र श्रीमान आदर्श जैन की पुण्य स्मृति में श्रीमती रेखा जैन, निशांत जैन, रोहित जैन, सुरभि जैन, तुषार जैन, शिल्पी जैन, अर्णव जैन एवं आरव जैन।
Tirthankar Shantinath Paramatma, Mohanlal Tirthankar of the Surnagar Jain Temple, and Param Pujya Acharya Shri Adi Sakji Maharaj, his main disciple Param Pujya Acharya Shri Mahavir Kirtiji Maharaj, his main disciple Param Pujya Tapas Samrat Sanmati Sakji Maharaj, his main disciple Param Pujya Acharya Gurudev Sulin Sakji Maharaj. I bow my head in these all lotus feet, and I want to pray to God and Tirthankara to give me bless. And I'm praying to God. I want to cause something. Whatever I'm here, so my intention, I should fulfill my intention. Give me this much courage and power. It's my intention. Whoever in my room, whoever in my lecture, preach and pravachana, surely he gets some value. She gets some value. That is the intention of the pravachana. Oh, value means the transformation, the peace of mind. That is the value. And transformation is not one time happened and it will eternal. No, not like this. Transformation means the ongoing process. When your transformation is what? Suppose you are converting your anger into peace, harmony. So one time happened. After some time, when the udaya of karma, then surely you will feel also any other negative feeling. So again, if you are present mind, then again and again, you are converting all negative emotions in positivity. That is the transformation. That is the main thing. So in this Vayan Saro, in the 12th stanza of this Vayan Saro, Param Pujya Acharya Gurudev Sunil Sakji Maharaj wrote so fantastic thing. Jivanam nikkiriyam cha Subhadajuttam chataha Paravalambanam juttam Nechanti purusottama Nechanti purusottama. If you want to be Purushottam, you want to be the great person, you want to be the true person, if you want to create greatness in your heart and mind in your life, so something is there, you should do something. Jivan nikkariyam cha, the person who is immobilized life, he can't get the ultimate. Both type of peak in spiritual field, peak of materialistic field, both field. You want to get any field, any success in any area, any era of your life, no matter in which field you are working. If you are nikkiriyam, immobilized person, you are not doing anything. You are not doing anything. It means you can't get any success in any field of your life. Anybody, who is kid na, he can also understand this thing. If you will not do anything, meditation is so different. Oh, in materialistic world, if there is no physical activity, you will get nothing. But in spiritual field, if you are in this meditative posture, you are moving, you are doing like this. There is no action in your body. You are totally 100% silent. That is the way to get the ultimate, to realize the own self. So Acharya was telling so. Now I'm not telling that Acharya doesn't mean only Acharya. Bhagwan Mahavir Swami, Lord Mahavir Swami, then his disciple, then a very long and very holy tradition, generations of holy monks. And now Param Pujya Acharya Gurudev Tapasra Sanmati Sagarji, you can't imagine. He spent 10 years just only Mattha and 48 hours, one time in 48 hours. One day he got Mattha in pani. Mattha means curd water. just simple water. There is no food, fruit, no dry fruit, no any wheat, rice, nothing, nothing like that. No juices, nothing. Just only two things, mattha and pani. Just only two things. In Spanish 10 years, nobody can imagine. Even though in this millennium, nobody can did like this great finance. He was a historical person. Not only Zen history, not in Zen religion, not in India, but all over the planet. Nobody did like this much finance. Whatever he did, he means Gurudev Sanamati Sagarji Maharaj. His patta shishya, Param Pujya Acharya Gurudev Sunil Sagarji Maharaj. He is an ocean of knowledge. Ocean of right knowledge. Jivan Nakariyam cha, Suda Jatam chaha. If you are the slave of materialistic things, it's okay. You're in worldly life, you have car and bungalow and everything is here. You all luxury, but dependent on luxury, it's not a way of life. Acharya Kunda told, Acharya Amrachand Swami told, Acharya Ankalang Swami told, Acharya Uma Swami wrote in Tattvata Sutra. What he wrote? That is not life. That is not, this is not a way to get the ultimate. You are with facilities, it's okay. But without facility, you will feel I am incomplete. You will weep and cry. I have no money, I have no shelter, I have no take food, nobody is giving me response, and just time, nobody carrying me, nobody supporting me. No. If you have these all things, use it. But if because of any reason, these things are not with you, some person are not with you, then don't feel suppressed, don't feel sad. So finish the sadness. If you will finish the sadness from your mind, from your heart, surely you will get rise in both field. Both field in materialistic field, also in spiritual field. The Jivan Nikriyam cha Suvda Jatam chaha. The two person would never want an luxurious life. Luxury and spirituality, both are the different directions, east and west. As she told, Paravalambanam Jotam Nechanti Purusottama. Paravalambanam Jotam Nechanti Purusottama. Paravalamban means dependency. Dependency on anything, on any person. So many persons are in this planet, they're like puppet. You know what is puppet? You know what is puppet? The person will do like this. Katputli in Hindi, that is Katputli. He will do like this, and that Katputli's puppet will move. Any other, who has a remote control? You became a car, a sport car, which is खिलौना. क्या बोलते खिलौने को? Toys. You became the toy. A remote in hand of any other person. You become the robot. Your remote is hand of any other person. Your house, your door, your lock, but key is not in your hand. Key is in hand of any other person. If any person will praise you, if somebody want to give you happiness, she will praise you. You will, somebody is admiring me, appreciating me, somebody is acknowledging me, somebody is giving me thanks. And that person who is in front of you, maybe is not here, maybe is in any continent, maybe 1,000, 2,000 kilometers far away from you, and he is on mobile and cell phone on Zoom meeting. He is telling something dirty, something bitter, something harsh. Or in front of you directly, he is condemning, blaming. You feel sad. You are feeling worry. What is the meaning of it? You became the slave of that person. You will dance, you have to dance according that person. It's not life. That is paravalamban. Paravalamban juttam. Dependency, dependency means dependency means you are doing each and everything for any person. Your energy, your talent, your efforts. But the fruit, the benefit, any other person will get. You have to put your emotions in feelings. You have to put your conscience beside. Because you're a slave, na? You're a slave. You can't live your life according you. You have to live your life according to any other person. That is the symbol of the true person, true man. If you want to get anything in your life, you should do one thing. What? Nikkiriyam. Finish the nikkiriyamness. Nikkiriyam is mobility should be there in your life. Mobility should be there in your life. The second thing, suvda juttam. You should be the slave of luxuries. And the next one thing, the last one thing, which also he told in this stanza, in this 12th stanza of Bayan Saur, he told paravalamban. Dependency. Fulfill dependency. Oh, see the life of Jain Muni, naked Jain Muni, Digambar Jain Muni. He has no clothes. Why? Why he loved the use of clothes? Why he loved this? Huh? Why? Only one reason is there. You don't want to slave up clothes. If clothes are there, you are feeling, oh, I am something. If you have no good clothes, then you will feel, what is this? Things are giving you significance. That is the sign of ignorance. The person ignorant, the person unsuccessful, she will get importance from things, from person, from places. If you're on this chair, if his boss will give promotion, if boss will promote you, you will feel so happy. If somebody is scolding you, somebody condemning, blaming you, then you feel, oh, is somebody praising you? That is the ego. There is ego. So both complex, superiority complex or inferiority complex, both are killers of the life. So Acharya is telling ki nikkiriyam, suvda juttam, paravalamban. If these things you have in your life, surely you have no life. They are like just machines. It's okay. Different tools are there. Suppose any lady, she is in kitchen, she is only tawa, otherwise only chakla bilan. She can't prepare the good food, quality food. If so many devices are there in kitchen, then she can prepare the good food. Like this way, with so many devices in compost box of any kid, he can drawing, he can sketch something good. Just only sharpener is there, just only rubber is there, just only pencil is there. He can't make just only a red color, just only a blue or white or green, any one color in color box. He can't paint a good painting. So many colors should be there. Like this thing, so many things should be there in life. You know, in worldly life, in householder na, so many things should be there. You also trying too much hard to get money and name and this and that. But because of something, because of any reason, you are unable to attain these all things, materialistic things, whatever you want. You are unable to realize, actualize your dreams. You are unable to finish any obstacle, otherwise all obstacles are in life. So it doesn't mean that you have no right to be happy. Without things, you can be happy. You can feel free. What you want, you can cause. The person, one person came to me. His kid was there. So I asked the kid, Standard? In which standard you are reading? I forgot it, perhaps it told 10th or 11th class. Okay. So his father, Maharaj ji, teach him. He's not doing proper study. He's not getting first rank in school. I asked him, what are you thinking? That guy told me, Maharaj ji, I have no good tuition. I have no this and that. I told him, answer me. I asked that student, answer me one question. The person who is top position in school, in college and in university is getting so good food? Any other quality of food is there? The person, the student who is getting topmost position, who is a ranker in school or college, is he reading any different writer? His coach, his teacher is have a special mind. Otherwise, he has some special mind. Why he is chanting any special mantra? Nothing is like that. Na, he is not doing. He is not taking any special jadi booty to enhance memory in these all things. Just one thing is there. What is it? Hard work. For doing hard work, okay. What is the hard work? In a special field, only one hard work is there. Now what is it? Your desired life. You want to live. Dedication, devotion. Without dedication, without dedication, devotion for ultimate, you can't realize what is the way of success. See, over ancient time, in ancient India, there was too much money. Golden bird of Chandragupta Maurya. Why? Because they were so religious.
इस कार्यक्रम के प्रसारण पुण्यार्जक हैं वृति श्राविका श्रीमती रत्नमाला जैन एवं उनके सुपुत्र श्रीमान आदर्श जैन की पुण्य स्मृति में श्रीमती रेखा जैन, निशांत जैन, रोहित जैन, सुरभि जैन, तुषार जैन, शिल्पी जैन, अर्णव जैन एवं आरव जैन।